Dr. Pawar, who is the principal of Dr. BCREC Engineering College, Professor, I just want to ask you one question, that in today's day, job is important. That is what most parents look, that their ward would be doing a job. But in today's day, more than the job, the entrepreneurial skills, the skills to do business, to actually sustain a business, that is also very important. So how are you preparing your students to become entrepreneurs in the near future? Or I've heard stories about children in your students in your college doing entrepreneurship and having a top line of nearly 50 crores within 6 months, which is amazing. So can you please tell us the story in this podcast to actually let people know how engineering students in Dr. BCREC Engineering College is actually becoming big entrepreneurs?
Yeah, this again, the concept started from the government of India itself, as we have been planning to be a developed nation, and the concept of a Make in India. This has made or brought a lot of opportunities for Indians, and specifically engineering people in a country. So as manufacturing sector is growing, IT sector already has grown, a lot of investments are coming into AI sector. Now this mix or this ecosystem adds an extra input to the mindset of the engineering people. And when you built this concept at the start of your engineering career itself, and that's where we start at the induction program, and we have an entrepreneurship development cell. We are inviting some of our own alumni, the successful people, to our institute. Their journey, their process started. So in such a cases, there have been some examples who have worked for some years, got an experience and started a business. A couple of days before itself, we had an alumni or the people who had done that one. But more than that, there have been students who have built their thought process from the first year and second year itself and so on.
Please tell us the story of Raf Mandal.
Yeah, so the Raf Mandal who had joined our institute at Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning as a B.Tech. From second year, he started an internship with one of the Moroccan company in artificial intelligence. He entered into an area of trading, understood the knowledge of what are the tradings involved.
Trading of shares.
Trading of shares.
Yes.
And in the trading of shares, what are the businesses involved, what are the technologies involved, and what are the gaps presently available. In fact, he started digging into identifying the gaps in these areas. That is what is happening. Being into an artificial intelligence, he developed his own skills and the AI model, and that's where the importance lies. Only knowing AI is not important. Knowing AI in futuristic point of view for the next 5 years, 10 years, how it is growing and how I can contribute this growth, identifying into this area. That's where he had built a platform. And most important, it's an open source with a business oriented. Means you can get the model available, you can build your own model available and then contribute to this one. If your model is successful and if it is being used by the companies, you can get a profit of 5-10% for each of your model. In this case, there is no loss for you. One thing is always a gain is there. You can use this model and then explore the possibilities. One type, second type, third type, and this platform is giving an opportunity for almost all the students to get into those cases, build your own model, explore also. And the experience you get in exploring is a different kind and so on. And that's where from the collective assembling of all these models, the platform is being built, and presently they have been successfully trading many things. They are offering this, and a lot of VCs are reaching to them also,
lined up
this
for them.
Model.
Yes, yes.
And then probably I'm sure, though they are in a final year, and I'm sure they will be having a successful great things into their ventures at presently. A couple of days before, they had presented this case to our students and our staff members also. Now they are pitching into Bangalore, they are going to Calcutta, and they are exploring this opportunity.
So I mean, telling you that I was present in that meeting. मेरा आँख में आंसू आ गया था देख के कि इतने बच्चे लोग 50 करोड़ का धंधा कर लिया और उसमें 8.5 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट भी उसने निकाल लिया. So I'm actually very impressed, and if this is the thing, then I think Dr. BCREC Engineering College is the college where students should come and learn these entrepreneurial skills from which they can become entrepreneurs from second year onwards under your leadership. Amazing. Kudos to you, Professor Sanjay, Pawar, and I think this is a huge leap forward in terms of entrepreneurship. And I think in the next blog we will come across with the 3D printing that we are going to do. Yes.